Good day, learners! I hope that all is well and ready to immerse yourself in today's lesson. I am Ma'am Angelita P. Ortega, your teacher in the Understanding and Performance of Installing Cable Bridge. So, be ready to learn, take part, and make sure that you are fully prepared to take notes. This is Electrical Installation and Maintenance TVL. Our topic for today is Installing Cable Bridge. The following are the objectives of the lesson.
Number 1, identify the different tools and equipment needed for the installation of cable bridge. Number 2, classify the types of tools and equipment according to their uses. And number 3, demonstrate how to use tools and equipment in installing cable bridge.
Okay, I know that you are ready and excited to learn new ideas and skills. But before that, let us first answer these questions.
Directions. Read each question carefully. Identify the correct answer by choosing from the given choices. Number 1. Which type of fitting is used when tray split and three separate direction? A. Drop. B. Ladder. C. T-junction. D. Four-way junction. Number 2, which of the following is used for light-duty application where quick installation is desired? A. Channel. B. Wire mesh. C. Solid bottom. D. Single rail aluminum. Number 3, which of the following types of cable tray provides a flexible system for supporting feeder cables? A. Channel. B. Ladder type tray. C. Through type. D. Wire mesh. Number 4, which of the following type of fitting is used to adapt cable tray in straight and T-joining? A. Channel. B. Ladder type. C. Wire mesh. D. T-junction. Number 5, which of these fittings is used to adapt cable tray when there is changes in sizes? A. Channel. B. Ladder. C. T-junction. And D. Reducer. Okay, learners, you may now start doing your activity. Good luck! Now, let's check your answers. The correct answer for question number 1 is D. Four-way junction. The correct answer for question number 2 is D. Single rail aluminum. The correct answer for question number 3 is C. Through type. The correct answer for question number 4 is D. T-junction. And the correct answer for question number 5 is D. Reducer. Congratulations! Job well done! Learners, let us now explore and discover the different types of tools, equipment, and materials for installation of cable bridge and how to use the tools, equipment, and materials in installing cable bridge. Before we start with our session for today, let's explore. What is cable bridge? Cable bridge is used as protection for lines, cables, and hoses to prevent them from being run over and also protects against trip hazards. The dimension of this cable bridge are chosen so that even the large cable diameters can fit. Okay, now let's proceed with the types of cable tray. A. Through type or expanded metal type. Tray provides a sturdy, flexible system for supporting feeder cables, particularly where routing of the runs is devious. B. Ladder type tray is used for supporting interlock armor cable feeder and many installation. C. Solid bottom, typically used in application that generates moderate heat. D. Channel, used for installation featuring small amounts of cable supported on short to medium spans. E. Single rail aluminum, for light duty application where quick installation is desired. F. Wire mesh, for low voltage, telecommunications, and fiber optic cable supported on short span. Okay, now let's proceed with the 5 basic types of cable tray. Number 1, straight, is used to tap two ends of cable tray to extend its length. Number 2, L junction, is a cable tray fitting which is commonly used when the junction is made at the corner or to make right angle turn. Number 3, T-junction is a type of fitting which is used to adapt cable tray in straight and T-joining. Number 4, reducer is a type of fitting which is used to adapt cable tray when it changes in size. And number 5, four-way junction. It is the fitting used when tray split in three separate directions. Okay, now let's proceed with the tools needed in installing cable bridge. First, cable bridge. Next, cable tray, cold chisel, crosscut saw, chalk line reel, flat bar, fastening device for wood, concrete, and steel, gimlet, hammer, ladder, push-pull rule, plumb bob, pliers, screwdriver, and tri-square. Okay, let's now proceed with the procedure on how to install cable tray. Number 1, read the manual carefully before using any equipments, tools, and materials. Number 2, prepare the area for the installation of cable tray. Number 3, prepare all the equipments, tools, and materials. Number 4, assemble the cable tray as per company standard. Number 5, follow personal safety in installing cable trays. It should be in accordance with the established standard. And number 6, strictly follow standards given and layout when installing cable tray. Now let's move on with the safety procedures in installing cable trays. Number 1, read the manual carefully before using any equipments, tools, and materials. Number 2, always check the equipment, tools, and materials before using. Number 3, use the appropriate equipment, tools, and materials according to job or task requirements. Number 4, always wear personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles, hard hat, etc. at all times. Number 5, wait for the final instruction before doing the job or task. And number 6, report immediately to the person in charge when there is unwanted incident happen. Class, let us fully engage ourselves in this lesson. Doing this activity will not only enhance what you have learned, it will be an immersive process as well. Let's have your pen and paper ready for this activity. Directions. Classify the given photos of the types of tools and equipment according to their uses. Write your answer on your prepared activity notebook. Choose your answer on the given box. Number 1, it is used to measure long, short, and straight lengths. Number 2, used to adapt cable tray and straight and T-joining. Number 3, it is used to support braces, ladder hangers, heaters, and bracing. Number 4, use an application that generates moderate heat. And number 5, it is used to impart straight lines onto surfaces. Okay, now let's check your answer. The correct answer for question number 1 is push-pull ruler. The correct answer for question number 2 is T-junction. The correct answer for question number 3 is flat bar. The correct answer for question number 4 is solid bottom. And the correct answer for question number 5 is chalk line reel. Congratulations, learners! Job well done! Learners, here is another activity for you. This will further enhance your mastery of the lesson and gauge what you have already learned. Let's get your pen and paper ready this time. Direction: match column A, types of cable tray, to column B, its use. Write your answer on your prepared activity notebook or paper. Column A, number 1, channel. Number 2, four-way junction. Number 3, wire mesh. Number 4, single rail. Number 5, ladder. For column B, A, it is a type of fitting which used when tray split and three separate directions. Letter B, it is used in application that generates moderate heat. Letter C, use an intermediate to long support span. Letter D, used for low voltage, telecommunication, and fiber optic application. Letter E, used for light duty application where quick installation is desired. And letter F, used for installation featuring small amounts of cable supported on short to medium span. Okay, learners, let's check your answer. The correct answer for question number 1 is F. Used for installation featuring small amounts of cable supported on short to medium span. The correct answer for question number 2 is A. It is a type of fitting which used when tray split in three separate directions. The correct answer for question number 3 is D. Used for low voltage, telecommunication, and fiber optic application. The correct answer for question number 4 is E. Used for light-duty application where quick installation is desired. And the correct answer for question number 5 is C. Used in intermediate to long support span. Congratulations, learners! Let us now proceed synthesizing our lesson. This part will determine your comprehension and mastery of the competencies discussed. Direction: enumerate at least 5 procedures in installing cable tray. And after that, answer the processing questions. Write your answer on your prepared paper. The processing questions are: number 1, what is cable tray? Number 2, why is it that cable tray procedures are important in the electrical field? Here are the criteria for your activity. 4 points if the answer includes a clear generalization that states or implies the main idea. 3 points if the answer states or implies the main idea from the given questions. 2 points if incomplete understanding of main idea. 1 point if the answer includes minimal or no understanding of main idea, and 0 if no answer. You may start doing your activity. Good luck! Wow, well done, learners! My dear learners, as we end our lesson, we need to test your knowledge and skills if we have attained our learning objectives. Kindly prepare your pen and paper and answer the given questions. Directions: read each question carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on your paper. Number 1. Which of the following type of fitting is used to adapt cable tray and straight and T joining? A. L junction, B. T junction, C. Four-way, D. Reducer. Number 2, which of the following cable tray is used in low voltage for telecommunications and fiber optic application? A. Wire mesh, B. True type, C. Ladder type gray, D. Solid bottom. Number 3, which type of fitting is used when tray split in 3 separate directions? A. L junction, B. T junction, C. Four-way junction, D. Reducer. Number 4, what is the first procedure in installing cable trays? A. Wait for the final instruction before doing a job. B. Always wear personal protective equipment at all times. Letter C. Always check the equipment, tools, and materials before using. D. Read the manual carefully before using any equipment, tools, and materials. And number 5, which of these fittings is used to adapt cable tray when there is changes in size? A. L junction, B. T junction, C. Four-way, and D. Reducer. Okay, learners, let's check your answer. The correct answer for question number 1 is B. The correct answer for question number 2 is A. The correct answer for question number 3 is C. The correct answer for question number 4 is D. And the correct answer for question number 5 is D. Congratulations everyone! You were able to finish the task in our lesson. If you have questions and clarification, you may watch and review your video lesson or you may ask the assistance of your teacher.
Once again, I am Ma'am Angelita P. Ortega, your teacher in the Electrical Installation and Maintenance. See you on the next episode for another amazing and incredible journey on electrical installation and maintenance. Bye-bye!